Struggling to share your Jira forms without exposing your whole project? Learn the exact steps to share with only the people you want. So here's the deal. You have built a great form in Jira. Maybe it is for IT support requests. Maybe it is for a team onboarding checklist. But when you go to share it, you run into that same old problem. You do not want to give everyone full project access just so they can fill out a form. That is like giving someone the keys to your whole house just so they can water a plant. It does not feel right. And honestly, it is a security headache waiting to happen. But don't worry, I have walked through this exact interface plenty of times, and I am going to show you how to share that form with exactly the right people, with exactly the right level of control. First, I will show you how to open your Jira project and find the Forms section. Then, we will select a form, use the share icon, and configure access so only the right eyes see it. All right, let us jump in. Start by logging into your Jira account. Head to your dashboard, the main screen you see when you first log in. From your dashboard, you want to open the specific project that contains your form. Look at the left side panel for your list of projects. Click on the one you need. This is important because forms live inside a project, not on some random page. Now, navigate to the Forms tab at the top of your project screen. You'll see it right there in the top navigation bar, probably next to things like Backlog or Board. If you don't see a Forms tab, make sure your project actually has forms created. Sometimes they are tucked away depending on your Jira setup. Click on the specific form you want to share. You should see a list of all the forms in that project. Just click on the name of the one you want. This opens the form builder or the form view, depending on your settings. Look for the share icon at the top right of your form. It usually looks like a little person with a plus sign or a sharing arrow. Click that. This is where the magic happens. In the sharing dialog that pops up, type the names or teams you want to share with. Start typing a name, and Jira will suggest people from your organization. Pick the person or team you want. This is crucial. You are not giving them project access. You are giving them access to just this form. Big difference. You can add a message, but this is optional. If you want to include a little note, like, "Hey team, please use this form for all new requests," you can type that in the message box. It is a nice touch, but totally up to you. Now choose the space access level. You have three options: private, limited, or open. Private means only the people you just typed in can see it. Limited means people with project access can also find it. Open means anyone in your organization can access it. In my experience, private is usually the safest bet if you want tight control. But if you are sharing with a whole department, limited might be more practical. Just think about who really needs to see this form. Finally, click the Share button to send the invitation. And that is it. You have successfully shared your form without giving away the keys to the kingdom. And now you know exactly how to share forms in Jira with confidence. No more worrying about oversharing. No more awkward emails asking for access. You have got this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.